Ice cream guys, ice cream. Kahit tumuulan, malamig pa rin. We need to eat ice cream. Gonna get the sandwich. Where's the price? This one? Which one? It's this one. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Nutella. Get one. Nutella. For the boys. For the kids. Diba guys? Nutella ice cream. You see the peanut butter? Maliit ang peanut butter nila dyan. Bawang 97 cents. Bawang guys, ang dami oh, $6. Ayun, $6. Pero pag hindi mo naman maubos lahat, nagda-dry. Sayang din, 'di ba? So dito na tayo sa tatlohan. Kasi na-try ko na eh. Bumili ako niyan malaki. Tapos hindi ko naman nagagawin. Hindi naman kasi nagluluto lagi. Na-dry guys. Na-dry siya. So sayang din, no? Na-dry. Ayan po. Nasa Walmart ulit ako guys. Ang takaw namin kumain. Lalo mga kids. Food is life, diba? Food is life. Lime chocolate one guys, vanilla. We're getting raspberry. This one, croissant, small croissant. It's a big croissant. Chocolate chips. It's sweet. Oh my. Muffin, chocolate muffin, all chocolate muffin. Cute donut, this small cute donut eat assorted. So cute, huh? There's a pink there too, and there's here too. Oh my, so delicious, all this thing. And this chocolate. Oh la. The same thing. We're gonna get this guys, strawberry. We're gonna get this strawberry. Ay nako, nakarami na naman. Sabi ko itlog lang sa milk kukunin. Grabe. Ha? Guys, ito guys ay pizza salad. You can eat like this. No need to warm. Ganyan na yan. Kakainin na lang ganyan. It's a cold pizza. No need to heat it up guys. Diba guys? How much the price? 7. Bonsai.